Found it. Oh yeah, we're fishing. Still backing out. There's lint down there. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, here it comes. Here. Maybe we're good. Might be good. Oh no, it's backing up there too. Shit. I don't know. So it goes up and then it goes down into this lower drain here. So it's going in there into the floor. So it's not overflowing anymore, so that's good. So going. Floor drain, plug up. Alright. Okay, so just gotta figure out why it's backing up into this still. So you'll know when it's done here. Alright, that's done. So now, how fast does this go down? It might need to have the main line clean, but it's fixed for now.